Day 2 on the Disney Magic. We arrived at our first port of the cruise, Lookout Key at Lighthouse Point. And it started with the long walk everyone talks about. Almost there, and we made it. Then we hopped on the tram to get to the beaches. Look at that view. Then we spotted Daisy and Donald dancing and realized it was Rush, a Junkanoo celebration. So we stayed and watched the parade. Here's a clip of it. After that, we enjoyed the beach for a few hours and made our way back to the ship. And the cast members at Lookout Key said farewell. Then it was time for a snack on the pool deck. Look how good these look. Then dinner at Rapunzel's Royal Table. We loved this show. It was so much fun. After dinner, we enjoyed some live music. Towel animal to end the day. Stay tuned for day 3.